Hello there and welcome to this lesson. In this lesson I'm going to be showing you how to check for errors and correct any mistakes that you make when you type in a document in Microsoft Word. In front of us here we have a series of sentences and paragraphs from a Harry Potter book. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use these paragraphs to illustrate and demonstrate to you how to check for errors. The first thing you do is you move your mouse cursor after you finish typing to the review button and click on it once. This takes you to the review tab. Okay, now if you look closely at this document we have in front of us, you realize that some of the words are underlined in red, like this one here. Okay, and some of the words are underlined in green, like this one here. Now these are two types of errors. The ones underlined in red are spelling errors, meaning that the words have not been spelled correctly. The ones underlined in green are grammatical errors. It means that the words have been spelled correctly, but they've either been used in the wrong way or they have been formatted in the wrong way. Okay, meaning you could have put two spaces instead of one in front of the word. So what you need to do is to make sure you click on the review tab to make sure you're in review, then move to spelling and grammar and click it once. Okay, and then you can start spell checking. Okay, now it says spelling and grammar, and this box opens and we can now check our document for any errors and fix them. The first error that comes up is the name Dursley. Okay, this is someone's name. It doesn't mean that the spelling is wrong. It just means that word is not used to that person's name. So what we could do is, we know that this is the person's name and it's not wrong. So what we do is we go and click add to dictionary. Okay, and that adds the name to the dictionary. Word will recognize it. Now we move on to the next sentence, which says Mr. Dursley ran yesterday to pick up the groceries. It's however underlined in green. It means that there is too much spaces in the middle between up and the. And if you look at the suggestions, it tells you to correct it. You need to remove the space. All you do is go and click change and to fix it. Okay, and then we move on to the next sentence. It says yesterday he go to the shops to pick up a loaves of breads. There's something wrong there. Okay, yesterday he go really should be changed to goes. Okay, once again all you do is go and click on change to change it. Okay, and then again the use of the words pick up a loaves of breads, there is something wrong there. It should be to pick up loaves. Okay, we can change that. So once again we select the correct one and we click change to change it, and we move on. Next one, nearly 10 years had passed. I told you it's been underlined in red, meaning it's the wrong spelling. Suggestions, this is the correct spelling. Click on change. Okay, once again the Dursleys, that is the correct spelling. Okay, we can choose add to dictionary, and Woken, that's the correct spelling, we change it. The sun rose, this is how rose should be spelt, so click on change. And then the sun rose on the same is spelled wrongly, underlined in red, highlighted in red here. Select the right one, choose change. Okay, and then the next one is Mr. Okay, there is a dot in front of it where it says that's wrong. So what we do is we scroll through this and find the correct one. This is what it should say, Mr. right here. Okay, click it and go and click on change to change it. And then we have owls there, okay, spelled wrongly, and this is the first one, is what we want. Click on change to change it. Okay, and then we have the feedback saying the spelling and grammar check is complete. Our document has now been spell checked and all errors have been corrected. And that is how you spell check and correct spelling mistakes and grammatical errors in Microsoft Word. Now try it for yourself.